Welcome to KDJ Tools, your one-stop solution for productivity and creativity. Whether you're managing projects, creating content, or translating languages, our main applications, KDJ Vision, KDJ Singlish, and KDJ Live, are designed to help you every step of the way. Our text conversion tools are here to simplify your work. Automatically generate subtitles, type in Sinhala or Tamil, convert video and audio files to text, and even transform speech into written language with ease. From converting speech to generating accurate captions, we've got you covered.
Our AI-powered tools push the boundaries of what you can achieve. From OCR-based image-to-text conversion to generating text in Unicode, it's all powered by cutting-edge technology. Handling multimedia has never been easier. Edit videos automatically, convert images to different formats, and compress them to save space, all in just a few clicks. We also offer a suite of tools to manage your business efficiently, from invoicing and quotations to POS and end-of-day task management. Need QR codes or barcodes? We've got those too. KDJ Tools also includes utilities for extracting data, calculating taxes, managing loans, and even live HTML editing. We provide everything you need to power through your day.
KDJ Tools designed to make your work smarter, faster, and simpler. Try them today at kdj.lk.